Golf has always been a game of precision, the perfect swing, the perfect shot, the perfect strategy. But there has always been one part of golf that feels strangely outdated. Carrying 25 kilograms of equipment around a huge field for 4 hours. And for years, the solution was simple. Push the trolley. But something has changed. Because now, your golf trolley can think. It can follow you. It can climb hills. It can control its own speed. And some of them can literally map the entire course. We are entering an era where your golf bag is no longer something you carry. It's something that works for you. But this creates a new problem. The remote golf trolley market is becoming crowded. Some cost less than $1,000. Some cost more than a used car. And the difference between a cheap electric cart and a truly smart one can completely change your round. So today, we're testing the 7 best remote golf carts of 2026. The cheap ones, the premium ones, and the machines that are pushing golf into the future. Starting the countdown at number 7 is the Naveie Birdie 3X. The most interesting thing about the Naveie Birdie 3X is not what it is, it's what it represents. Because for years, features like automatic following and smart assistance were reserved for the most expensive golf carts. But Naveie brought those features down into a much more accessible price range. The headline feature is the follow mode. Using ultra-wideband tracking technology, the Birdie 3X can stay near the golfer while they walk. No remote in your hand, no constantly looking behind you, just walk, and your trolley follows. It sounds simple, but this changes the entire experience. Because the biggest enemy on a golf course is not distance, it's fatigue. The Birdie 3X also includes power assist mode, and this is where it becomes genuinely useful. If you're walking uphill, instead of pushing a heavy bag against gravity, the motors help you. It has dual motors, all-terrain wheels, and can handle steep slopes. Battery life is also impressive, with enough power for 7-hour-long rounds. You also get a 5.5-inch LED display dashboard, shows battery life, speed, and distance. 9 adjustable speed settings, a USB-C charging port to keep devices powered, and an IPX5 water-resistant rating, covering morning dew and light rain. This is a very good offering. However, we need to be realistic. Naveie is still a newer player. The bigger brands have decades of experience making golf equipment. The Birdie 3X is exciting, but the premium models are still more refined. At number 6, we have the Caddy RX Remote. Caddy's approach is completely different. While some brands are trying to make their carts feel futuristic, Caddy is trying to make them feel invisible. And that might actually be better, because the perfect golf trolley is one you stop thinking about. The RX Remote focuses on reliability. You get slimline remote handset, which allows you to send the trolley ahead or alongside you while you walk the course. The Slope Traverse Assist, a patented gyro system that stops the trolley from veering off course on sloping fairways. High traction wheels, and a 360-degree swivel front wheel that will aid easy navigation if wet turf, bunkers, and rough terrain. You also get mag-lock technology, which allows compatible Caddy bags to lock securely directly onto the frame without the need for lower bag straps. This one does exactly what you need, but it lacks some of the newer technology found on higher-end carts. No advanced follow mode, no huge GPS experience, no wow factor. But sometimes, a product that quietly works is better than one trying to impress you. At number 5, we have the Steuart Golf Vertex Remote. If you love the Steuart Golf brand prestige, but you don't care about the autonomous follow mode, and instead prefer pure, raw, remote performance over extreme terrain, the Steuart Golf Vertex Remote is your weapon of choice. The Vertex is an absolute mountain goat. If you play on courses that look more like hiking trails, standard electric carts can suffer from wheel spin or strain under load. The Vertex features a class-leading, high-torque, dual-motor drivetrain that ignores bad weather, thick rough, and wet hillsides. The biggest selling point of the Vertex is its industry-leading battery capacity options. You can pick this up with a standard premium lithium battery or upgrade to their absolute monster 45-hole capacity battery. That is 2.5 rounds of golf on a single charge. If you frequently forget to charge your gear or want to play a marathon 36-hole weekend without worrying about an outlet, this is unmatched. The stability here is legendary. Its wide-track wheelbase keeps it planted firmly on the turf. The remote handset provides progressive, proportional steering, meaning a light tap gives you a gentle turn, while a hard press gives you a quick pivot. It folds down quickly with a neat, built-in carry handle, though the remote itself is slightly bulkier than its competitors. Notable drawbacks include the lack of an integrated digital GPS screen and a noticeably bulkier build compared to sleeker modern rivals. However, if you're the endurance golfer who plays highly rugged, steep courses and demands unparalleled stability alongside world-class battery life, this one is definitely for you. At number 4, we have what I'll describe as the best value option: Axlow E5 FollowMe Cart. Axlow has delivered an incredibly competitive machine that undercuts the high-end luxury brands while offering premium features. The E5 features a highly reliable follow mode that tracks the smart remote clipped to your waistband. It handles speed transitions incredibly smoothly and features outstanding, rock-solid stability on all types of terrain. But Axlow didn't stop at just the motor tech. They built one of the best user consoles on the market. Unlike some minimalist premium carts, the E5 features a full-sized handle console with massive storage, integrated beverage holders, and secure mounts for your phone or rangefinder. The power comes from a high-efficiency lithium battery that safely clocks in at over 54 holes of range. Let that sink in. For a price point that significantly beats out Steuart, you are getting auto-follow tech, a massive console, and massive battery life. It also utilizes an extremely compact folding mechanism that fits effortlessly into smaller car trunks. Drawbacks are that the aesthetic design is more functional and plastic-heavy compared to premium carbon composites. Also, it is missing a built-in GPS mapping system. However, if you're the budget-conscious or practical golfer who wants the pure luxury of an auto-follow cart and massive battery range without paying a steep brand premium, this should be your go-to. At number 3, we have the ultimate feature-packed value titan, the Alfard Cyber Cart. Alfard has unleashed an absolute beast of an electric caddy that focuses entirely on give-you-everything value and rock-solid stability. While other brands charge you a premium for an empty frame and then nickel and dime you for the essentials, the Cyber Cart arrives out of the box fully loaded. It features a massive integrated storage console, an umbrella holder, a beverage holder, a scorecard keeper, a phone mount, and even a sand bottle holder for repairing divots. They even built a high-output USB-C charging port directly into the frame so your phone or GPS rangefinder stays fully juiced for all 18 holes. The driving performance is powered by dual 180-watt hub motors tucked directly inside the rear wheels, giving it an incredibly quiet ride and jaw-dropping acceleration. It utilizes an advanced 6-axis gyroscope to track perfectly straight across severe side slopes, and its low center of gravity means it hugs the turf like an off-road vehicle. Drawbacks are that it is an absolute tank to transport. Weighing in at 37 pounds for the chassis, plus another 3 pounds for the battery, lifting this 40-pound rig into a high SUV trunk after a long, exhausting round will test your back strength. Also, because it positions your golf bag in a more upright stance to maximize its anti-tip stability, its forward center of gravity can occasionally make downhill turns feel a bit touchy or unpredictable. However, if you're the tech-loving golfer who wants a rock-solid, dual-motor remote cart, this gives you the absolute most bang for your buck on the market. At number 2, we have the digital masterpiece, the Caddy RX12 GPS. Caddy took their wildly popular RX1 framework and completely revolutionized the category by embedding a stunning, high-definition 5-inch portrait touchscreen directly into the handle console. This screen is an absolute game-changer. It comes preloaded with over 40,000 global golf courses, offering vibrant, high-contrast graphics that stay easily visible even in direct, blazing afternoon sunlight. You get hyper-accurate yardages to hazards, alongside drop-and-drag pin positioning for exact distance targeting. Mechanically, the RX12 utilizes dual ultra-quiet 30-volt motors and an ultra-responsive 360-degree front swivel wheel that reacts instantly to your remote commands. It effortlessly combines elite remote mobility with a premium standalone GPS system that rivals any high-end smartphone application. It is visual course management perfected. A notable drawback worth mentioning is that the hyper-responsive front swivel wheel requires a tiny bit more active attention when guiding across severe side slopes. However, if you're the tech-savvy player who wants elite, crystal-clear course management visuals right at their fingertips while navigating completely hands-free, this is for you. And finally, for our number one pick, the one I refer to as the intelligent king, we have the Moto Caddy M7 GPS Remote, the absolute best overall remote golf cart for 2026. This cart is the perfect marriage of advanced intelligence, robust build quality, and ultimate day-to-day convenience. The M7 GPS features a stunning, crisp 3.5-inch LCD touchscreen that gives you full access to over 40,000 courses with zero subscription fees required. What puts it at number one over the Power Caddy is how seamlessly it manages practical, real-world usability. It features a brilliant auto-disconnecting battery system, meaning you can fold the cart completely flat without ever unplugging a single wire. It features a fully retractable rear anti-tip wheel, an updated ultra-ergonomic handheld remote, and an incredibly smart downhill control system. It tracks straighter than a laser beam, turns on a dime, provides masterful GPS data, and folds down into the most compact footprint in the entire premium remote category. It is, without a doubt, the smartest, most complete remote caddy ever engineered. Drawbacks are so little that the only one worth mentioning is that screen is slightly smaller than that of the Power Caddy RX12. For any golfer demanding the absolute pinnacle of remote reliability, deep tech integration, and effortlessly compact portability, this is a no-brainer. And that's it for our top 7 picks for the best remote golf carts of 2026. No matter which one you choose, upgrading to a remote golf trolley is guaranteed to change how you experience the game. You'll protect your body, save your energy, and enjoy walking the course the way it was truly meant to be played. Before you take off, I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 carts would you trust with your golf bag? If you found this comprehensive breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dive gear reviews. Thanks for watching, hit 'em straight out there, and we'll see you in the next video.